What is up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're going to be switching out my tail lights. I'm gonna switch them to LED. Right now I just have the regular halogen bulbs or whatever. And since my tail lights are smoked out or tinted, whatever you want to call them, with the regular halogen bulbs you can't really see out of them. So I want to switch them to LEDs so they can be a little bit brighter. I turned my headlights LED, so when I switched them out, I switched the little receptor or receiver. I forgot what it was called, because when you switch out LED bulbs or when you put LED bulbs, you get the hyper flash, and if you don't know what that is, it's when you turn on your turn signal, it'll just be flashing way too fast and it'll be uneven basically. So you switch out the receptor and so it can basically flash like normal. So that's why the tail lights are a little bit dimmed out, because the receptor doesn't allow as much light. If I don't know if that makes sense or not, but basically I have to. That's why it's not as bright no more. So I'm gonna switch them to LED. Of the LEDs back there. I'm gonna show you how the process to switch them out. My truck is a 2004 Silverado single cab. I think the part number should be the same for mostly all of them, because you can use the same tail lights for the daylight running lights, if I'm not mistaken. So I think it's the 3157, the bulb or the LED, whichever you get. And then, well, the tail lights, mine are aftermarket since they're smoked out or tinted. So I'm gonna show you how the process is pretty easy. It's just plug and play. So I'll show you the process. All right, so I want to show you a before and after. So this is the before, obviously. So y'all can see where it's barely noticeable. All right, so to take out the headlights or the tail lights, you just take out these little screws. There you go. But I already took them out because I was having trouble with this one, because this one's like rusted up. I don't know if y'all can tell. But yeah, basically this one was rusted up, so I took it out. And then once you take out the tail light, once you take out the headlight, it's gonna have these, well, the plugs for the lights. And then you just twist them out and the bulb comes out. That's pretty easy. And we'll just switch them out. I'll do them one at a time, actually. So hopefully I can see this. Just pop them out. Get your LED, and then there's two little prongs there. Just match them. There you go. I'll put it back in just so I don't mess up where each of them go. That's two. And the last one. Hopefully we're able to see that. Or all of them. And then just put the casing back in. I'm gonna test it out first and then we'll see. Where my keys at? Alright, so hopefully I can tell the difference. Alright, same thing for this one. It'll be the two screws. You just pop it out. And this one should be easier or faster because we've already done it. That's two, and then the last one. So that's it. So now we're just gonna test both of them out. Alright, so hopefully I can tell with the lights. Since it's pretty sunny, maybe I'll do like a different shot, but I can tell it's LED. So we'll check them out later. Alright, well that was a short and pretty easy video. I was just switching on my tail lights. Like I said, since they were dimmer, you can really tell like with driving during the day. At night you can see them a little bit better, but definitely during the day you can see them. I don't know if since it was bright and since it was daylight or daytime, y'all could tell where I switched them. So I might do. I'll probably add like a little video like of at night where it's a little bit darker, or not night, but like a little bit darker since it is bright. So yeah, I'll probably do that to show y'all an actual comparison since y'all probably couldn't see through the video. Other than that, that was pretty much it for the video. Little update, I am finished with school officially, so I want to post at least once a week, every Friday, and then my actual goal is to post twice a week, which would be Monday and Fridays. So hopefully I can do that now that school's over. Do little random vlogs and stuff like that. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and or if y'all have any comments or any questions about my actual tail light housing, just comment. I'll let y'all know where I got them from. Like I said, the part number is 3157 for the bulbs or the LEDs. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one.